Namaste to all. I am Battul Venkateshwarlu. I am your instructor for this Swayam MOOC Telugu learning program. Examine a significant aspect of Telugu grammar, namely directions and postpositions, which play a vital role in sentence formation and overall language structure. Dear learners, at this stage, we have developed a foundational understanding of directional expressions and postpositions. Building on this knowledge, we will know, construct and analyze sentence structure using the related vocabulary. Let us proceed to the vocabulary section. Vaipu, which means side. Atuvaipu, which means that side or in that direction. Ituvaipu, which means this side or in this direction. Meeda, which means on or upon. Kinda, which means below or under or beneath. Daggara, which means near or close to. Pakkana, which means beside, by the side of. Gurinchi, which means about or regarding or concerning. Valla, which means because of, due to. Lo, in, inside or within. Tarvata, which means afterwards or later. Daka, which means up to, until or as far as. Cheta, which means by or through. Alright, let us move forward with the next stage of learning. As you are progressing steadily and demonstrating effective comprehension, this section presents a conversation between two friends, serving as an examples of everyday informal communication. Let us now examine the conversational segment. Initially, I will read the conversation part and at appropriate points, I will provide the explanation. Ramana is going to ask to Raghava, Raghava, ఆ వైపు ఏముంది? Which means that, what is there on that side? Raghava is going to reply, అటువైపు ఏం లేదు, ఇటువైపు అంగడి ఉంది. Which means that, there is nothing on that side. On this side, there is a shop. కారు మీద ఏముంది? Means, what is on the car? కారు మీద ఏం లేదు, కింద కుక్క ఉంది. Which means that, there is nothing on the car. There is a dog underneath. నా గడియారం మీ దగ్గర ఉందా? Do you have my watch? లేదు, మా అన్న దగ్గర ఉంది. Which means that, no, it is with my brother. Now, let's move on to the next segment of the conversation. మీ పక్కన ఉన్నది ఏమిటది? What is beside you? అది కూరగాయల బజారు. Which means that, that is a vegetable market. వంటగదిలో ఏమున్నాయి? Means, what are there in the kitchen? వంట సామాన్లు ఉన్నాయి. Which explore that, there are cooking utensils. Based on the above sample conversation, now we will develop the explanation part. Ramana is going to ask Raghava, ఆ వైపు ఏముంది? Means that, వైపు, it depends on the situation. అటువైపు means that side and ఇటువైపు means this side. And ఏముంది? What is there? Aim, it's a neuter form. Instead of this, we can apply ఏమిటి. ఉంది, it is an existential neuter singular verb that means what is there. In the Telugu language, it applies to many situations. Finally, Raghava, what is there in that direction? Continue answer is that, అటువైపు ఏం లేదు, ఇటువైపు అంగడి ఉంది. అటువైపు, on that side, ఏం లేదు means nothing is there. లేదు ఫాస్ట్ negation singular form, depending on the situation, it is going to apply present negation also. ఇటువైపు it means in this way, అంగడి ఉంది means shop is there. When the subject is neuter singular, the neuter singular existential verb undi is going to apply. Here I have to explain one important point. This undi form is going to apply for feminine gender singular non-honorific way. Like Geeta undi, which means that there is Geeta. And Vimala undi, which means that Vimala is there. The final sentence is that there is nothing on that side, whereas a shop is located on this side. The next explanation is as follows. Ramana is going to ask Raghava, Karu meeda emundi? Here Karu means four-wheeler vehicle. Meeda means on. And emundi? What is there? As discussed earlier, this concept is important. The final one is that what is placed on the car? Raghava is going to reply, Karu meeda em ledu, kinda kukka undi. Raghava is going to explain, Karu meeda em ledu, which means there is nothing on the car. Kinda kukka undi. Kinda means under. Here we have to understand under car. Kukka means dog. Its neuter form undi means is there. Final syntax is that there is nothing on the car. There is a dog underneath. Next explanation is as follows. Ramana going to ask to Raghava, Na gadiyaram mee daggara unda? Explanation is, do you have my watch? Na possessive form of nenu means my. Gadiyaram means watch. It's a singular neuter form. Me possessive form of meeru, which means you. Second person honorific singular and plural. It's depending on the context. Also called as epicene, which means apply for both human forms. Daggara, it means near. Unda is there. Undi plus a, unda. A is the interrogative suffix. This is going to add to the noun while making the question. Let's see the related examples. Ame Kamala. Does it means see Kamala? And Adi Kalama means is that a pen? The final meaning is that do you have my watch? Then Raghava replying, Ledu ma anna daggara undi. No, it is with my elder brother. Here the word ledu means no. It is a present negative as well as past singular neuter negative form. Apply depending on the situation and context. Ma anna daggara undi, which means it is with my elder brother. The next conversation is that Ramana going to ask to Raghava, మీ పక్కన ఉన్నది ఏమిటది? Here the phrase మీ పక్కన means your beside. ఉన్నది variant form of undi, which means there is. It is used with inanimate nouns and abstract entities. ఏమిటది? It is a sandhi form of ఏమిటి plus adi, which means that what is that? ఏమిటి interrogative pronoun meaning what. Adi demonstrative pronoun, which means that, used for distinct objects or places. With combined ఏమిటది forms an interrogative nominal sentence commonly used to ask the identity or nature of the something seen at distance. Finally, what is that beside you? Or what is the thing next to you? Raghava is going to reply, Adi కూరగాయల బజారు. అది that కూరగాయల genitive plural form of vegetables. Bazaru means market. Finally, that is a vegetable market. Language plays an important role in teamwork. Now let us continue the conversation as follows. వంటగదిలో ఏమున్నాయి? వాట్ ఈస్ దేర్ ఇన్ ద కిచెన్? ద ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ పార్ట్ ఈస్ వంటగది మీన్స్ కిచెన్ రూమ్. లో మీన్స్ ఇన్సైడ్, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ లోకేటివ్ కేస్ మార్కర్ అండ్ పోస్ట్ పొజిషన్ ఆల్సో. ఏమున్నాయి which means what things are there. Finally, what things are there in the kitchen? Raghava is going to about give his reply. వంట సామాన్లు ఉన్నాయి which means that there are cooking utensils. Once again, Ramana going to pose a question to Raghava. ఎవరి వల్ల ఈ పని అవుతుంది? Explanation part is ఎవరి oblique form of the ఎవరు. వల్ల means because of or due to or by. It is a postposition in Telugu. It is used to indicate cause or reason or agency. It usually follows a noun or pronoun. ఈ పని means this job or this work. అవుతుంది is a present future tense third person singular form of the verb avu. It conveys to happen or to become. It is commonly used to express possibility, result or completion. Final meaning is that who can get this work done? Raghava will reply, Ramesh valla avutundi. We'll see the explanation. This work will done due to Ramesh. Here I am going to introduce one more character. Ramana is going to pose a question to Ramu. Ramu, Bengaluru daka vellu? Ramana saying to Ramu, Bengaluru daka vellu. Here Bengaluru means Bengaluru, capital city of the Karnataka state. Daka, it conveys up to. Polite and honorific variant form is Bengaluru daka vellandi, to go up to Bengaluru. In the final stage, Ramu, go up to Bengaluru. Raghava will say, Tarvata veltanu anna. Tarvata means later. Velatanu, vellu means to go. Future tense first person singular, which means I. Finally, I'll go later, brother. These represents the final stage of the dialogue. ఇంటి పని నీ చేత అవ్వటం లేదు. You are not able to get the household work done. The following section offers a detailed explanation here. ఇంటి పని, which means household work or domestic work. ఇంటి genitive form of illu, of the house. Pani means work. Together, ఇంటి పని is a compound noun referring to work done at home. The final meaning is the housework is not getting done by you. Parvaledu, avutundi. No problem, it will happen. Here, parvaledu means is a idiomatic expression meaning it's okay or never mind. Avutundi, present future tense of avu, indicating possibility or assurance. Key grammatical insight from the lesson. Existential verbs. The verbs undi, is there, singular and plural unnai, are crucial. Ledu is there, negative form, which means is not or not. Forming questions, add the interrogative suffix a to a verb to make a yes or no question. Undi plus a, unda, which means is there. Possessive pronouns, na means my, nenu means I, me, your, honorific form of meeru, which means you. This is a epicene used for both genders. Ma means our or my in a familial or humble sense. Sandhi combination, words often combined in spoken Telugu. Emiti plus adi, emitadi, which means that, what is that? Verb tense, avutundi, is the present future tense third person singular of avu. to become or to happen. It expresses possibility or future action. Sentence pattern practice based on the dialogues, asking about location, noun plus postposition. ఏముంది? కారు మీద ఏముంది? It conveys what is on the car. వంట గదిలో ఏమున్నాయి? Which means what things are in the kitchen. Asking about position using daggara, na, me, etc. plus object plus మీ దగ్గర ఉందా? నా గడియారం మీ దగ్గర ఉందా? It means, do you have my watch? Indicating cause or agent using వల్ల. Person plus వల్ల plus work plus అవుతుంది. రమేష్ వల్ల ఈ పని అవుతుంది. Which explore that this work will be done by Ramesh. Giving a directive using దాకా. Place plus దాకా plus వెళ్ళు or honorific form వెళ్ళండి. బెంగళూరు దాకా వెళ్ళండి. It indicates please go up to Bengaluru. Expressing inability using చేత. Work plus person plus చేత plus అవటం లేదు. ఇంటి పని నీ చేత అవటం లేదు. Which means that the housework is not getting done by you. Final note is, the conversational examples you provided are natural and practical. The step-by-step explanation of each line is what makes this lesson particularly effective for learners. The inclusion of cultural notes like using Anna, elder brother, adds depth. Language is a bridge between people. This section marks the concluding stage of the dialogue and demonstrates how directional expressions and postpositions functions naturally in Telugu sentence structure and everyday communication. Thank you for accompanying me on this learning journey. Thank you.